These Air Jordan 1s will go up in 2023. Free Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low giveaway. All you guys got to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, get me to 60,000 subscribers, and make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. Good luck on a free pair of Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Lows. These are fire, straight fire. Sole Premise sneaker bags are my favorite bags because they store my sneakers when I'm traveling. Check that out. I got my Yeezy foam runners and a pair of Jordan 1s. There's front compartments as well. They make a bigger bag as well that holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers. Tons of space in that bag. Tons of space in each and every Sole Premise bag. And they all have compartments made to store your sneakers, sneakerheads. Check that out. So when I'm traveling, my sneakers are with me and they're safe. They also have backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags for when you're traveling. Everything is TSA approved, so you can bring it with you on the airplane. This is the Sole Premise duffel bag, and there's compartments on the side of this bag to store your sneakers when you're traveling. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise with my link down below in the description. Click that link down below and use my code Danny Moore at checkout. My name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off your entire order. So don't worry about the price that you see on the website. Just add a bag that you like to your cart. Use my code Danny Moore at checkout. 40% off will come off your order. So make sure you guys use that code at checkout and get yourself a Sole Premise bag to store your sneakers the right way, the safe way, with Sole Premise when you're traveling. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. I want to start this video off letting you guys know that this is just my opinion. This is a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I think, personally, I believe will go up in price next year in 2023. I could be completely wrong. I could be completely off. This is just my personal opinion. I just want to state that. You guys can do what you want with that information. If you think I'm right, leave a comment down below. If you think I'm wrong, I also want you to comment why you think I'm wrong. Why do you think I'm right? Why do you think I'm wrong? I want to see your thoughts on this sneaker down below, and let me know if you guys agree with me or if you disagree with me. Right now, they're going for about retail plus tax. It's not much at all. These Air Jordan 1s did sell out. It did slowly sell out. They were sitting for a little bit. I do think in certain stores they did sell out, but a lot of stores I also believe they were sitting. I don't think they're really sitting anymore. I do believe these will go up in price next year in 2023. I'm not a sneaker guru. I cannot tell the future. I can't see, yo, buy this and this is definitely gonna go up 1,000,000%. Sometimes I am right, sometimes I'm wrong. It's as simple as that. I think it's more important personally to be more right than wrong, and I hope and I think I do a decent job of that. I have been right a bunch of times. I've been wrong a decent amount of times as well. So I just want to make this very clear. This is my opinion. I think these Air Jordan 1s will go up next year in 2023. Retail on this Air Jordan 1 was only $130 because this is an Air Jordan 1 Low with Nike Air on them. The Air Jordan 1 Low Bleach Coral. This Air Jordan 1 Low is the OG form. You do have Nike Air on the tongue. You do have the black swoosh. You have pink, this bleach coral color on the toe as well as the back heel and on the Nike Air. The color blocking I think is very important on this sneaker, as well as it being the Air Jordan 1 Low OG definitely helps it. Jordan 1 Lows have become very hype. The color blocking is phenomenal, and it's a color blocking that we all know, love, and have become very familiar with. If you guys take a look at the market on any Jordan 1 High OG with this color blocking, they're up there in price. And lows have been going up in price as well. I do see the market going up on this sneaker to probably 170, 180, 190, maybe topping out at about $200 in 2023. So right now, they're at about 130, 140 on the market, less than 150. I do highly suggest buying them if you have capital and plan on holding for some time. If you want to wait these out and give it a shot, I think it could be potentially worth investing in because they're not worth too much money. They're not too much of a buy-in. You can get pairs for close to retail and hold them. I do believe in 2023, we will see an increase in price in the Bleach Coral Air Jordan 1 Low. I could be wrong, I could be right. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think the Bleach Coral Air Jordan 1 Low is gonna go up in price next year in 2023? I think next year is the year that these go up a solid $40, $50. I think they're gonna go up in price. So I definitely think it's a clean looking sneaker, wearable. We do not get this pinkish tone too often. If you guys take a look at what this sneaker reminds so many people of, you guys know those Air Jordan 1s are thousands of dollars. And the closest thing we have is right here, the Bleach Coral. These will take time. Of course, sneakers take time to go up in price. I do believe next year we'll see an increase in price in the Bleach Coral Air Jordan 1 Low. Let me know your thoughts down below. Is next year, 2023, the year of the Jordan 1 Low Bleach Coral going up? Could these skyrocket and go crazy? Or will they have a little price increase of say $40, $50? I think that's what's gonna happen. However, they could potentially stay where they're at and have no price increase. I do wanna say that I think it's a safe investment. What I mean by that is that even if you buy a bunch of pairs for close to retail, say, you know, next year, 2023, say they don't go up in price, I'm wrong. I definitely think you will be able to sell them for and at least get your money back, or potentially even make $5 or $10 a pair. So I definitely think it's a safe investment, a safe play at the end of the day. I get DMs all the time asking me, Danny, what are you doing with your shoes? What do you have? What are you holding? Things like that. What do you plan on buying and investing into? So I will have a Discord coming very soon for that. Make sure you guys stay tuned. But I will tell you guys in this video, for these, I'm probably gonna buy a solid 10, maybe 15 pairs. Not too much, not too little, but I think it's a safe investment. I got a little bit of money to play around with, and at the end of the day, I think it's better than keeping that money in the bank because the interest rate in banks is bad. So I think it's a better safe and easier hold with shoes. That's just personally what I do. I personally do think the Air Jordan 1 Low Bleach Coral will go up in 2023. Do not forget to enter the free Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low giveaway. Like this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? I want to know your thoughts on the Jordan 1 Low Bleach Coral going up in price in 2023. Let me know your thoughts. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.